Alright guys, it's the next day. Well, it's the next day for you guys, but for us, it's the next week or so, week and a half. Just got busy with other things, but today we're for sure taking out the motor because we need to get this thing going. First, I want to show you guys this. This is our built 4G63 D-stroked. I don't know what is D-stroke to. What does D-stroke even mean? Hey Dad, what does D-stroke even mean?
It's a 4G64 with the 2-liter crank.
2-liter crank? What's a stock crank?
That was a 4G63 is a 2.0.
2.0, this is a 2.3?
This is a 4G64 block with a 2-liter.
Oh yeah, it's the Galant block, right?
Yes, so it's D-stroke 2.1. Longer rod.
Higher revs.
Everybody is
Probably confused on what car this is. This is a Mazda Speed. You just pretty much change the, I guess, frame. Like this is Evo, I think, to even make this motor fit. I don't know why he wanted to do this, but it's pretty interesting. It's like a Frankenstein build, but I can't wait to see this thing running again. Well, the actual motor. It's a Mazda Speed Protege. Still pretty sick. And I didn't show you guys this yet. This is my dad's Cayman GTS. The body's pretty clean. The body's very clean. The only thing is that there is no motor.
it's blown.
The motor's still in here? Oh, they took it out.
I left it there.
Oh, you left it there? There's no point in rebuilding that.
Yeah, so I'm putting a 4.0
GT4.
I have the transmission PDK over there.
PK transmission. This thing's gonna be sick too. But anyways, got sidetracked. We're gonna get started on this and take this motor out. All right, we dropped the motor. Is there anything else? What? How are we gonna put it down underneath?
I know what I was thinking.
All right, motor's out, but now we're trying to figure out how to bring the motor or drag the motor underneath from the car because we don't have a lot of room here. So, gotta figure that out. Man, all right, we did it. Got it out from the right side. Oh my God, we need to get a lift, dude. One day, hopefully someone could sponsor us on a lift. One day we'll get a lift in the shop so we can work on this stuff easier because that was pretty tough. All right, we got the motor in the backyard. Now we just gotta take out the transmission and the T-case, swap out the clutch. Right, Dad?
I think the bearing, main bearing, connecting rod also. Bearing.
Main bearing and connecting rod?
Connecting rod bearing. Rod bearing.
Rod bearing?
Might as well do that while we gotta take the engine out.
Which one's
I want to check the.
Which one's that we gotta change?
On the bottom.
Oh, it's on the bottom.
I want to check each piston because we don't know if the ring crack. So we'll see.
Damn, this garage is dirty. Anyways, it's been a week and a half since we dropped the motor. Now we're just gonna take it apart. See if there's any more damage on the motor. I hope there isn't any more damage, because that means spending more money on parts. But it's bound to happen. I think this is what he needed. I guess we gotta take out this T-case first, and then we can access the transmission and the clutch and see how burnt or worn out the clutch is. Oh, and if anyone's interested in an STI motor, hit me up. We're selling this.
See how easy that thing. Just bring it downhill.
All right, T-case is out.
Okay.
So there's an O-ring there, and then there's a seal here. Just make sure you don't mess it up when you attempt to take out the T-case. I'm also curious, do you guys like Evo 8 or 9s? Let me know down in the comments. Personally, I like how Evo 9s look, so that's me. Lift this up?
Yeah, lift it. Just slowly. Okay. Okay, if you let go.
Wait! Yeah! Boo!
All right, transmission's out. This one's probably like roasted, huh?
Clutch is still a lot. Look.
I thought you said it wasn't grabbing before.
It is. It's just that vibrate. Remember it vibrates in your foot?
Yeah. How come it does that?
I don't know if it's a bad bearing. See that?
It's just old. That's 10 years old. I bought this clutch a long time ago. I sold a skin on CSGO for 300 bucks. It was a Karambit, which costs about $10,000 now. Dang, I should have kept the Karambit. Kind of worn.
It's good wood.
Still good. Still like.
It still have a lot of life, but.
It held up for like 10 years.
That's 10 years?
Yeah, I bought it 10 years ago.
Really? Well, that's right, when I came back from the Philippines.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys like the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.